Hello friends, this is a new video to unboxing Syska LED smart bulb. So that I purchased from Amazon, so I received it today. So let's see, we are going to unbox this and see how it is inside. Okay, so let's see. We're going to break this packaging and we'll see what's inside. We have this. We'll see what we have inside. So this is you can see this is the packaging from Amazon. So this is the Syska LED. But here you can see Syska Smart Home Wi-Fi enabled, 2.4 gigahertz enabled by RGB light, and you can see this is the branding of the product. I guess so you can see that there are like details are mentioned in the product itself. So these are the brand details. This is the product name, Syska SSK MW base 222 9 watt LED bulb, compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant Wi. And you can see this is the detailing of the product, model number, what is the voltage and what color, lumens, and operating temperature, dimensions. So all are mentioned in these details. You can see it's you can use this with your Alexa and Google apps. So you can control this device by voice commands. So you can connect using the Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi enabled. So you can see the steps are mentioned. So when you open this box, let's see what we have inside this box. So this is also so you can see inside this box. I'm going to unbox it. So you can see we are going to open this box, and I think we already that. So let's see this is what the product. So this is the Syska LED bulb. So you can see it's looking quite good, and this is LED bulb for Syska 9 watt LED. Okay, so this is normal bulb, everything is same, just only the is enabled with the Wi-Fi. You can see the detailing, the details are mentioned in this. The design, it's kind of rectangular vertical design, cylindrical kind of. It's looking quite good, and you can control by your smart devices or the voice command. Yeah, it's quite good, seems like better. We'll test it and we'll send few more videos on this after reviewing and testing it, how it works. So this is one more. So there is one more guideline. This is I think booklet that is provided by the Syska. You can see these are the details are mentioned. This is in English. So this book is in English, you can see. So they are telling how to install the app and how to control this device using the warranty card, telling mentioned, and you can see this is a smart look. So it's looking good. We'll do more detailing review after using this. So this is the two things that I received with the package that I bought from Amazon. So I ordered from Amazon. I received in 2 days after ordering, but it is looking good. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so if you like my review, you can go to my channel and subscribe the channel, and you will get more further updates and reviews regarding new products, new gadgets, new mobiles, and new technologies as well. Thanks.